Hey guys, back with another Animal Crossing video. This is part 3. This is part 3. Sorry, the phone just turned off, so I stopped it.
Look at it.
Oh, there's nice clothes.
Wow.
Anyway, so that's why I came off by accident. But this is number 3, I'm pretty sure. Oh, we can make this. We can make this. That's nice. There's a lot of like hundreds, which I've got thousands.
We're going out for a walk. Not now.
So yeah. Sorry, I'm back. So
Our bags first.
what we're gonna do is we're going to
Leave your hat on.
yeah, we're gonna leave my hat on. And what we're gonna do is we're going to I think we could
Put your fuck on.
buy some clothes.
Don't buy some clothes. Put your fuck on. Now.
So we've just ordered some. Well, I actually don't like it. It's actually not nice.
Oh.
But we can get this. We've got everything. I don't think it'll cost us anything, but yeah. So it might. Yeah, it did. But it looks pretty cool. We've got 30, so we can get it with a leaf ticket. We've got modern sofa. I actually pretty like this modern sofa. So yeah, we might not be getting some friends on this. We've got Jacob, who we have no clue who is, but he's acting like a good player, so we got him. But I think I'm gonna show my girlfriend this game, see if she likes it. If she does, I'll ask her if she wants to get it, and we'll be friends. And maybe, just maybe she'll be in one of the videos. Like obviously screen recording, but yeah. So that'll be good. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go. We've completed 2 goals apparently, or 3. Nope, not that. This. Accept. Oh, we've got loads. Accept. Okay, accept. Okay, accept. Okay, accept. Okay, accept. And okay, we should have just pressed collect all. But we didn't, we just pressed accept because that's what we want. That's what we want to do. I want to leave because I want to. By the way, I will be showing a video on how I do these videos. And yeah, I am one of them gamers who plugs in a mic. I don't know how this will be, but it will be. So this is episode 3. Anyway, yeah. So this is episode 3. We've got. Fine, we'll talk to him. What do you want? What do you want, Goody? Yeah, we look lively. So.
Get your shoes on, get your jacket on.
Oh, he wants a request. Okay, never mind. Okay. we just speed talk that we never even read it. But if you want to slow down and see what he said, you can. Actually, I might. I want to check out the forest where we live here. So, it's apparently really cool. Oh, we can reach, once we reach level 10, apparently we can reach the woods.
We're taking me 10 back out of that.
So yeah. If you know any tips, oh wait, I just realised. Who's this? Well, you've stumbled across my little garden plot. A little earlier than expected. Would you mind coming back when you've reached level 3? I'll surely be ready for you then. Okay, so once we turn to level 3, not level 10, sorry.
Oh, this feels nice. I like this.
The sky looks nice.
Yeah, I didn't reply though, did I?
We're level 1. Oh, we've got something in the mailbox. Collect all.
The police is still on me.
Oh, ow. How did you not die from that one?
So we've got everything.
Oh,
So yeah, I'm kind of stuck.
so many people.
We're stuck. But
Yeah, we won't go anywhere near him.
this is episode 3. Can't wait till episode 4.
Keegan, Nana, can you go